Welcome back, guys. Check out my newest purchase here. It's kind of a step in the direction that I am wanting to go with my content. But good old Facebook Marketplace turned out, finally come through. Pretty sweet. It opened up and show you guys a little tour and what my goals are with it. So as you can see, the sides flip up, back doors flip open. The guy actually, I don't know if you can see it, installed a little tablet or phone now. Fully insulated inside, the roof, the doors, everything, besides my actual bed. It's pretty nice. Locks work, has windows on the back, as you can see, and my goals with it are kind of like a hidden camper. I can pull over anywhere in a Walmart parking lot, climb in back, sleep, do whatever I need to do, and go on my way. So my plans are build a bed platform. I'd like some way to like cook or something. I got a few ideas with that. I'd like it to be heated for winter time, do some winter camping and ice fishing, stuff like that. So I have some ideas for a heater, but this weekend I have some free time. Hoping my cot will fit. I'm gonna throw a cot in here, kind of test it out, see how the insulation is, and just kind of enjoy the weekend camping. So I'm kind of gonna do a video getting all that, my camping gear for this weekend set up. We'll just kind of start taking everything out, because bought this rug, the way it fits. Take everything out, put the rug down, and this is gonna be pretty sweet if I can get it done. Screen for the edges, that way I can flip those up, not have to worry about bugs. Well, I actually lost my footage of putting all this stuff in there, but put a rug down, got self-inflating mat, cheap one from Aldi's, my cot, good old blanket from Sam's Club, 2 pillows from Sam's Club. And tonight for supper, it is going to be steak with Kinder's Prime Steak with black garlic and truffle seasoning. Never tried it before. Pick that up. But yeah, that's set up. Didn't say this earlier. Got 2 LED strips, battery packs go inside the door. And yeah, should be a nice camping trip, hopefully. What is up, guys? We have made it out here. A little cabin. There's a little deck out here I backed right up to. Got power hooked up, so I am able to charge my phone and anything else I need to plug in inside. But yeah, I'm gonna get a fire started and cook up a steak for supper. So I might do a time lapse or something with the campfire, but stay tuned. It's just gonna be a nice night. It is about 6 o'clock now, so just kind of gonna hang out and enjoy the night. up, guys? I am like setting up. I have plenty of room in here. Here's where the powers come in. I got 2 power cords. That's plugged in inside of the cabin that I'm parked beside. But honestly, there's plenty of room. The dog thinks she needs to sit behind me, I guess. But yeah, there's plenty of room. I got stuff underneath the cot here. But yeah, I think I'm gonna got this here extended. It's for a tablet, but I can hook my phone in it. And I think I'm going to watch some YouTube if I have good enough service. But yeah, it ain't very late, but it's been a long week, so I'm just gonna kind of sit in here and relax. I don't know if you can see it. You can see the fire out the window. But yeah, just kind of gonna relax. If anything else, any other updates, I'm kind of wanting to spend some time in here to see some upgrades or anything I need. But honestly, with a blanket, I'm still pretty warm. Like, with a heater in the middle of winter, it ain't gonna take much to keep this warm. The ceiling is like 1-inch insulation, and the doors are thinner. It's a quarter or 3/4, I can't remember, one of the two. But yeah, I'm planning to get a little more permanent carpet in here that like covers everything. And I'm thinking over in this corner, build some kind of box or something. I'm not quite sure yet. Gonna have to do some more research. But diesel heater, even just like the smallest one, will keep this thing toasty in the middle of winter. Especially with me and the dog in here. The lights, I had to turn one off. I just have one on. Because them things are pretty bright, honestly. Like, I don't need it to be daylight in here. I have plans for solar panels on the roof and some kind of battery bank in here. Whether it be a pre-made one or one that I come up with, I don't know yet. But I got some big plans with this thing. And I hope I can get them all done. But honestly, I'm loving it so far. If you're thinking about doing it, just do it. Once I get it all set up and everything, I think it's going to be pretty awesome. But yeah, I'm going to watch some YouTube and relax. Good morning, guys. It is like 5:30 in the morning. I'm pretty early. Definitely some things I need to get. One being a heater, a different blanket. Just the one. Forgot one. I had to grab one out of the cabin, and it is too short for me. But honestly, this cot isn't too bad. I only had about half my bed though, because the dog thought it needed the other half. So I'm gonna have to get her a bed or something to go next to mine. But I'm going to head home pretty early. Got some things I gotta do at home. But one other thing, with us being in here, there is a ton of condensation. I'll flip the camera around and show you guys. Yes, there's a lot of condensation just from us breathing in here. But other than that, I don't really see anything. it was a pretty good night. What is up, guys? Thank you for checking out today's video of camping. This is just kind of a test run, see what all I need. I got it all figured out. Gonna throw a heater in there for sure. Definitely get a better blanket in there. That would have helped a ton because it did get a little chilly last night. Got down to about 34, but it was still comfortable in there. I did fine. Just a touch on the chilly side, but yeah, overall wasn't too bad. Stay tuned for more videos of building this thing out. By the time I'm done, it should be pretty sweet. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and all of that. Comment down below what you think I should do to it. Any good upgrades, anything to change. But yeah, other than that, have a good one.